And what can help you, especially with the figures, is Mind the Graph. So that is a specific software that is available through a website, so Mind the Graph. And as you can see here in this example, you can get very different illustrations already pre-prepared and combine it with your scientific findings in order to then create an image that can convey your message within the manuscript. So when we look at such platforms such as Mind the Graph, it is meant to help you design for science specifically, so communicate the science. It is meant to communicate the information that is available in a way that if someone glimpses at it, it will get the most out of it. And it will, however, enable you that you stay in charge, so it's not AI based in this way that the AI would do it all alone, but you can modify and adjust it as you need this to be done. So let's see here for an example how this is done. So you decide on what you need. So you need something with follicles, my specific topic. So in gynecology, and there will be specific images available, and you are able to prepare from these images, and it's optimized as in a printout format. So it's friendly, and the distributor is via Creative Commons license. So meaning that if you have the Creative Commons license stated, you can use those images also in your publications. Quite important for the scientific publications.